Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A73, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to navigate into your settings, and in here we're going to scroll down to storage. This will display your main storage, the storage of the device, and next to that, or below that, you have your portable storage, which is your SD card. You can tap on it, and here, as you can see, you'll find format option. You can click on it and then confirm it by selecting on OK. Now, before you do so, I do urge you to get acquainted with this message. It might be very important to some people. So what it basically states is that performing a format of your card, this will remove all the data from it. So any kind of photos, music, documents, anything that you keep on that card will be deleted, and this cannot be undone. So obviously, if you have anything on it that you don't want to get rid of, then make a backup copy of it to something like your computer, as an example. And once you have done so, you can then come back here and then select OK to begin the process, which will only take a couple seconds to finish up. Once it's completed, the card will be ready to be used once again right away. So no extra steps needed afterwards. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.